So I think I'm going to add very simple decorations to my clock. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to use the pen tool to draw little lines to show the minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in still more, and in order to draw a line with the pen tool, what you do is you click somewhere, and then I want this to be a vertical line, so I'm going to go to the Shift key and then to the very edge of my clock, and if I keep going like that, it's going to keep going, so I don't want to do that. Instead, I want to say it's the end of my path by clicking on the return key. Now I could make this a little wider, so I'm going to go to the stroke panel here, and it says it's 1 point right now. I'm going to make it a little wider by, say, going for 3 points. I think, yeah, that should be nice enough. Now what I want to do is make a selection of this line. I'm going to go to the center because I want this to rotate around the center. So I'm going to activate my rotation tool. My little line is selected. I'm going to go to the center and press the Option key. And now I want to move this around to show the minutes. So there's, we said before, 360 degrees on the entire clock on that because it's a circle, and then there's 60 minutes on that clock, so it's 360 divided by 60, and that is 6. So I want a rotation of 6 degrees, and I want a copy, which then I'm going to Command D or Control D on a PC around. So I'm going to go like this. Going around the clock, behind the panels, one more, and there I am. Now perhaps I need to move some of my numbers, only the 10 it looks like, a little bit. So I'm going to unlock the hours, just move the 10 slightly away. I think, all right, this is interesting, but I think we could, do any sort of things. We could, I'm gonna lock my hours again. As you can see, it's easy to get into. I'm gonna go like this. What I would like to do now is make a selection of all those minutes that are exactly on the hour, and perhaps turn them into a different color, say red. So I'm going to change here to go for my stroke, and I'm going to go for a nice red. Red is, if you're using those color mixers, is a mixture of 100% magenta and 100% yellow, and of course no black. And then I'm going to turn all those little lines into red ones, and I would like to see that without the guides, which is Command semicolon on the Mac, and Control semicolon on the PC. This is not bad, actually. It looks like like a normal clock. You can do anything you want with the clock, so I encourage you again to do crazy things.